call a pig that does karate? A pork chop! A pork chop!
What do you call a monkey at the North Pole? Very long!
What do you wear under your raincoat, Cloudy?
Pa! Yunba! Hey, Spider. Why are you on the computer?
To check my website.
Hey, my car broke down! What am I gonna do?
Don't worry, buddy. You just got towed.